Hi everyone, welcome to another unboxing video. Today is Sunday, April 14th. We're halfway through the month of April. It's so crazy to think that. If you hear some pitter patter in the background, that is Charlie. Charlie, come here. Say hi, Charlie. You're such a good boy. Okay, so I brought him with me because it's just my dad and I awake, and I felt like he can walk around freely in my room while I do an unboxing. Now he's attacking my hand, so which is one of his favorite activities, is attacking my hand, which is why I no longer have acrylic nails until he's done teething. Right, Charlie? Right. Okay, I had to get my scissors so I could do some unboxings. Today I kind of just wanted to focus on group orders, specifically one group order master. They're called GOMs, group order masters. You know, if you're in the K-pop community, if you know, you know. And I've ordered from her before. Her name is Vivian, and she goes by I_Miss Kai, both on Instagram and Twitter, if you're interested in purchasing from her. Okay, so let me go ahead and grab something that she has sent me. Maybe I should start with something small and then work my way. Actually, there is one thing that I wanted to unbox before I unbox her stuff. I'm so sorry. Charlie is probably being so noisy right now. He's messing around with one of my shoes, but I also want him to be entertained. So, okay, there is one thing that I wanted to unbox before I unbox Vivian's stuff. Okay, sorry about that. Charlie kind of moved. Actually, he unplugged my ring light and then it stopped recording, or my phone stopped recording. But yeah, so I bought from the Snooki shop because they are having a spring break sale, 25% off of everything if you used a code. So 25% off of your entire purchase if you used a code. And you know, I'm always looking for things that I can wear to work. Right now it's getting warmer, and I want to like retire some things. Like I play the shit out of like these Shein dresses that my sister passed down to me, that she either no longer wanted, or that she didn't get to wear because she didn't really like them. But anyway, I wanted to get something new. Okay, sorry about that. Charlie keeps unplugging the ring light. I think he has so much fun with like the little remote control that's attached to the wiring. Okay, so yes, I went ahead and bought from the Snooki shop. Like I said, I wanted kind of to revamp my wardrobe. So here is one thing I purchased. And the rest of my items, I'm assuming, are coming. Oh, thank you! You found my sunglasses. I was wondering what those were. So this is just one item that I purchased from them. The rest of the package, the rest of the items are coming separately, I presume. So I guess maybe this is in one location. I know she has 3 locations, is currently looking for a 4th location in Nashville. So there's also that to look forward to. But this is a black tank top, and I was hoping to use it for work, and maybe if not work, maybe just outside. So it's a lace cami top in black, size large, of course. Regular price $35, and then with a 25% off. Because it looks crop on here, but then again, as I've said before, crop tops for me look regular because of my stature. But also I could probably use a tank top underneath and wear that to work. So well, we could see about that. Okay, so let me go ahead. I'm trying to see how I should unbox this. So because I don't have as many things from Vivian as I had thought, let me go ahead and unbox maybe from smaller to bigger group order packages, and maybe that'll kind of like help me if I find more boxes that Vivian, if I find more packages that Vivian has sent me to unbox. So let's see. So maybe that might help me if, in case I find any packages that Vivian has sent me, and I could just unbox those all together. So this is from Barbara M, and hopefully they have their at on there so I can go ahead and shout them out. Oh, look at how they did the card. Okay, so it says, for you, thank you so much for trading, buying, join. I hope everything arrives safely. Please let me know when it does. Stay safe, healthy, and happy collecting. Okay, so it's a Jongin PC from, and when I say PC, it means photo card, from Love Me Right Era. And then this is a freebie that they sent me. And here is their business card. It's PCY Trades, and yes, I owe them a shout out. I'll make sure to shout them out today, hopefully, after I finish this unboxing. So that is so cute. Yay. If I'm not reacting as much as I want to, it's because I'm too busy focusing on Charlie, because you know, if he becomes silent, that means that he's gotten into something that he's not supposed to. Okay, so this one is from Vivian, and that is at @I_Miss Kai on Twitter and Instagram. And this is just part of stuff that she sent me. She sent me even more stuff, but this is just one thing that I've ordered from her. Okay, Michelle, Kai is here. Thank you so much for buying. I hope he arrives safely. Please let me know when he does. So here are some freebies, and then let's see, over here you can see like Jongin's Instagram at. I'm trying to see, it's Call Me Right Era, or calmer version. So I don't know, it's so nicely packaged that I don't want to like unbox it. There is like a 4-cut, like kind of like a picture. It kind of reminds me of like a photo booth picture, and it has him in the back. This is so cute. And then it says waiting for Kai. I love that. And Kai from Rover Eric. I love that. Okay, so I'll make sure to shout Vivian out, at least for this one, if I'm only to get to a few packages. Okay, so that is one of Vivian's packages that she sent me, but she sent me more, so I'll move on to the next package. That's probably not from Vivian. It is from someone else, Jaxie M, and I do know who that is on Instagram. Let me package their stuff. So I'm going from small packages to bigger ones. So I don't know. Hopefully until I finish like the group order stuff. Okay. Oh, how cute! This is Kyungsu from Don't Fight the Feeling Air. And it says, hey, thank you so much for trusting me to help send you your items. Hope they arrive to you safely. Let me know when they do. And then their app. And it almost makes me not want to open it because of how nicely wrapped it is. Gosh, but at the same time, it's like I need to, because of I'm sure that you guys want to see what I purchased, but it's so nicely wrapped. Maybe like when it's time for me to finally like put it away, maybe I'll unbox it, but I'm gonna go ahead because it's so nicely wrapped and because Charlie is being a menace right now and I don't want him to bite into it, especially if they're photo cards. I don't want him to bite into any photo cards, so I'm gonna move on to my next package. So with that being said, I'm gonna go ahead and unbox something from Vivian again. That's again under I_Miss Kai. And let me see. Charlie's like playing with my arm. No, not my elbow. And I bought some doll clothes. It looks like there's a pink jacket with like a penguin on there, a bucket hat with a penguin and a peach. I'm guessing it's like Kaisu. And let's see, I bought like the photo cards. Michelle EXO's here. Thanks so much for buying. I hope they arrive safely. Please let me know when you receive them. And I'll unbox more of those when it's time for me to put them away. I believe these are Jongin postcards. And then if you see, look at, I love the sticker that she put right there of Jongin. And then you see that is actually a bear that he drew in the past. So cute. And I also bought a Super M banner. Oh wow, this is big. I definitely do not have this one. A Super M banner of Jongin. I definitely do not have that. So I will have to thank her for that. I want to make sure that Charlie doesn't grab onto anything. So let me clean up real quick because I'm gathering a bit of a mess right here, and then maybe that just in case also if Charlie needs to go to the bathroom, I could go ahead and let him go to the bathroom, and I'll be right back. Okay, so turns out I was right. Charlie did need to go pee. So I'm back now. I let him do his business, and I cleaned up a little bit. And so let me go on to the next package from Vivian as well. Again, that's I_Miss Kai, both on Instagram and Twitter.com. I refuse to call it X, I'm sorry. But you guys know what I mean when I say Twitter. Okay, so this is one of her bigger packages that she sent me. And I also wanted to unbox these things because she's also sending me more stuff. I keep buying from her. It's hard not to when she keeps posting up cute things and good sales. Oh, wow, this is a lot. Okay, so here are things that I've purchased from her. That's all nicely packaged. Oh, she sent me a freebie, or I'm not sure if this is a freebie of Loey and Czar. I'm going to give that to my sister because Chaniel is her bias. It says Dinoland, so let's see. Thank you for your orders. And here is thank you for your orders. And there's Bacon right there. There's Minions photo card holders from when Bacon dressed up as a Minion. How cute. And I bought 2 of them. And they have different pictures of Bacon in them. That is so cute. I'll put them in here so I know who sent it to me. And I could properly thank her. Okay. And then this is, I don't feel like unboxing EXO. That sticker is so cute. I'm going to leave it for another day. Sorry, guys. Okay. It says, hi, Michelle EXO's here. Thank you so much for joining my group orders. I hope they arrive safely. Please let me know when you receive them. And then here are some Jongin hollows. I also got some EXO photo card holders. They're from kind of like from the season's greetings. They're themed after the season's greetings. And I love it. Oh my god. These are like top loaders. And this says XOXO, so lucky to be your love. That is so adorable. I love that. There's Minseok. Here's Junyan. And of course you can switch them out to a photo card of your choice. Chanyeol and Kyungsu. Oh my god, I love that one. That's such a good picture of Kyungsu. And of course, once I open it up, I'll give the Chanyeol photo card to my sister. The other one of Junyan and Minseok are so cute too. I'll probably keep those for myself. Okay, she also sent me a red envelope for Lunar New Year, and I think it has like Chanyeol's signature on it. Oh, this is stuff that I got for my sister of Chanyeol. It's from his magazine, so a magazine shoot that he did. And so they're like photo cards, like Polaroid cards, I should say, from a photo shoot he did. So let's see, I'm not sure if you can see them. I'll be able to properly show them to you because Charlie's entertained with my high heel. And plus this is good, so I am able to give them to my sister. Oh my gosh. That is so cute. I just had to. There was no special reason, no rhyme or reason, but I thought that she'd really enjoy these. And I think she will. This is so adorable. I'm going to give these to her. Oh, that is so cute. I could have waited, I guess, to give it to her for her birthday, but we're in April and her birthday is in August, so I couldn't wait. I can't wait much longer. Okay, and I love how Vivian packages everything. Look at her EXO stickers. Oh my god, so cute. Okay, so this is a peach. Oh, these are stickers, Jongin stickers that I'm gonna most likely keep for myself. Like, here's this peach with Jongin's face on him. And so like a little card that says Kai on it. Let me see, let me put it back in so I don't lose anything. A holographic card of Jongin from Rover era, and then a Lucky. Oh my gosh. So Chanyeol, more Chanyeol for my sister that I'm going to give to her. These are other photo cards, Polaroids from X Plush. I think it's an endorsement that he did, but the back looks like this. It says Park Chanyeol. Okay. I love how she individually wrapped them in plastic, like plastic sleeves. Oh, and some of them have little messages on them. I'm guessing they're from Chanyeol himself. Let's see what else is in here. It's like a Mary Poppins bag. So here is some more Chanyeol. Oh, my sister's gonna love this, I hope. Oh, and another Waiting for Kai. That's so cute. It's a Chanyeol postcard. And it is also from, I think it's from the same shoot. But I love that picture. I had to get this stuff for her because I loved the photo shoot. I thought it was so cute. And then there's Baekhyun dressed up as a minion. and Jongin during Rover era. And then, oh, I also got this from the pink, let me see, I don't want to say the wrong thing. The Pink Christmas. It's an acrylic turning stand set, and I got Jongdae's version. I had purchased Baekhyun, and I believe it was Baekhyun's and Kyungsu's, or maybe Kyungsu had already left SM, so I probably was just Baekhyun's. I have to, I wonder if it's in one of these many boxes that came from SM Town and Store, but that I need to open up and unbox. But I ended up getting Jongdae's as well because I really like that photo card. But this is the standee that comes with it, and you put it in this plastic thing right here and it'll spin around. So I thought that was very cute, so I got that. I'm gonna go ahead and put these away and then I'll continue unboxing. Okay, so I'm back with another group order that I joined. And this is from Azira's group orders. That's Aziras. And she can be found, or they can be found on Instagram and Twitter. I love this right here. It says fragile. Please handle with care. Thank you. I love that. Ah, it's a season's greetings. And I'll unbox the season's greetings separately. I'll do that, but I'll go ahead and thank her for it, but I'll do a separate video for the season's greetings. It says thank you for ordering with me, let me know when everything arrives, so I'll make sure to thank her for that. So one more then that I need to unbox. This is coming all the way from France, and it's Shunki's group orders. So it's Shunki, like as in Sehun's solo fandom, or Sehun's fans. You know, if Sehun's your bias, you would be called a Shunki. So that's XUNQIS. Group orders, GOS. But I believe that they're gonna get out of they're going to get out of the group order game. They no longer find joy in it. They find it a tad stressful, which is completely understandable. I can only imagine if I get kind of stressed or overwhelmed. Maybe stressed isn't the right word. If I get kind of overwhelmed and I'm only, you know, mailing out like a few packages here and there, I can't imagine how it must be to do group orders, especially so many different personalities. I try to be understanding and as gracious as possible, and I completely understand that there are some people who just aren't like that. Ooh, there are some things that kind of shifted around. So it says, my cat, these are cute stickers. And then this is Sehun. I think that'll be perfect for his birthday giveaway that I'm hosting right now. It says Shunki's Geos. Thank you for joining the group order. Let me know when you receive your items by using hashtag Shunki's group orders FB or Shunki's GOS FB, which is Shunki's group orders feedback, or by sending a DM. Have a lovely day. They are so kind. I completely understand why they are getting out of the group order game. I'm all about people putting in like their mental health first and their well-being first. But it is sad to see just a great group order master leaving the game, because there's not that many of them around. They're very far in between nowadays. I remember getting into the fandom and there were more group order masters. You couldn't scroll through Twitter without seeing them, really. But there's also some that could be scam artists. They could just be stealing fans' money and just keeping the packages, I don't know, or keeping the money to themselves. It's, you know, or they take like a long time to send out your group orders. It could be one reason or the other, but it's just very saddening when someone who is so trustworthy and kind leaves the group order game. But again, I completely understand. I'm all about putting yourself first if needed, because you can't serve from an empty bowl. Okay, so again, Charlie unplugged my ring light. He's a puppy. He just can't help himself right now. But that was fine because I was able to comfortably open up the package because I was having a hard time with the bubble wrap there. Let's see what this is. These are some Kyungsu photo cards from Expectation era. That's how long it has been. Kyungsu's coming out with another album, you guys. Like, I cannot believe. I need to order all of them. I want all the pre-order benefits that I possibly can get for myself. I want them. And yeah, I'm so excited. Like, EXO right now wants me broke because each one of them has individually their own bubble now, basically. I mean, they've always had them individually, their own bubble, but now there's Baekhyun's company who has their own bubble, which is Baekhyun, Jongdae, and Minseok, which I'm so happy to see Jongdae on bubble. Like, he is so active. He messages fans every single day. And I'm so happy that, like, we get to see that bright personality. For whatever reason, SM was keeping him in a closet or something, in a basement, or who knows. And then there's Kyungsu's company Susu, so their bubble. And then there's, of course, SM, which is Junmyeon right now, but Chanyeol. So, and of course, Jongin and Sehun are in the military. And then Ishing's coming out with an album. Like I said, Kyungsu's coming out with his third album. I have to get the pre-order benefits for those. And then, who else? Oh, and then I just spent like it's an embarrassing amount of money, how much money I spent yesterday on the EXO anniversary merch from their Fanmade, and then from SM themselves, of course, bastards. And let's see, what else did I order? I think that's about it. And then also I have like the stuff from SM that I need to unbox, and of course that's including the season's greetings. So yeah, that's where I'm at. But anyway, I digress. I just wanted to talk about that real quick. But here are some pre-order benefits from Expectation era of Kyungsu. I'm gonna have to ask my friends if they have any of these. Oh my god, I love that perm. And have you seen the teasers, by the way? Because oh my god, the teasers for the latest album, oh my god, I'm dying. He looks so hot. Okay. Whew. But again, I keep digressing, but yes, oh my god, I'm so excited for this new album. He looks so fucking hot. I can't. Okay, but I love that perm on him. I think he does another perm for the latest album. But yeah, I need to ask my friends if they already have these pre-order benefit photo cards, because if they don't, I will gladly share, because I got multiple, I believe. Okay. Okay, so those are those. Okay, and of course I could ask my sister as well if she wants any of these. And then these, oh my god, I believe are albums. Oh my god, because I told them, like, just whatever is easiest for you, I'll take them. Like, whether you want to send me just the pre-order benefit photo cards, or if you want to send me the albums as well. And I think that they just want to get rid of stuff badly, so they can just have a clean exit. So they sent me Kyungsu album.
let's see. I don't know if I'm gonna unbox these. I pretty much have like all the photo cards that I want, if not all the photo cards. But yeah, so there's one version of Expectation, and there is, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. And especially now with like the new album coming out, I want to make room for that. So I don't know what I'm going to do with these. So wait and see, I guess. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So I don't know what I'm going to do with all these albums. I'm going to have to see what I decide to do. But I understand that they wanted a clean exit out of the group order master game. So I wanted to help them out as much as I could. So I was like, you know what? Send them my way. And I'll figure out what I'm going to do with them later. Okay, so like I said, I don't know if I'm going to unbox these or not, or if I'm just going to give them away or sell them. I'll see. But I'll worry about that after. Yeah, after. Yeah, I won't worry about that right now. I'll have to think about it. Well, of course, like, let me first think about like whether someone has the Expectation album or not, like a friend or a mutual, and if they don't, then I'll send them one. Okay, so let's see. I think that's pretty much it. The rest is from SM and or the Season's Greetings. So I'm gonna go ahead and take pictures of these as as proof of the group order for the group order master, the GOM, not to be confused with the GOM, which is a fan of Jongin. So that meaning that the Jongin is their bias. So I'm going to take pictures of those as proof for them that I received the package, and if applicable or if I'm able to, I'll also do TikToks for them for the stuff. Okay guys, thank you so much. I'm not sure how long this video is going to be because it's been cut so many times thanks to me cleaning and or mostly because of Mr. Charlie Boy. So thank you guys for watching. I appreciate you guys' support. Hopefully I can do another unboxing soon, and thank you guys so much for watching. We love you guys. Bye.